and today I have a 59-year-old collectible. It is a 1959 Chevrolet Apache 31 with a Napco 4x4, and that is a power pack 4-wheel drive, and it is finished in somewhat of a, I don't know, I call it sort of a teal seafoam, sort of blue green. I don't know, it's an awesome color. It definitely stands out. We've had this parked at our dealership, and I can't tell you how many countless people have stopped by and said their dad or their friend or their uncle had one of these trucks, and it's been a real attention getter, and a lot of people definitely love it. It's a great truck. You can see it's very proper underneath, nothing which would offend you. However, it is not going to be your show quality. Yes, you could make it into show quality, but it's certainly not being sold or advertised in that regard. It was restored. The previous owner told us it was restored about 20 years ago, and I believe they said that the engine was about 1,000 miles ago, and this is a 350 Chevy small block engine, and so it has about 1,000 miles, and I believe they did this a couple years ago because this has been kept inside a storage unit since this has been done. So it's not a lot of miles been put on it since they restored it, but it's definitely an awesome truck. The chrome is nice. It's a real attention getter, like I said. Look, if you have a business that was started in the 50s, you know, this would definitely be something that would be a really good advertisement. Use it as a moving mobile billboard if you can. You can put your signage on this truck, and I tell you, it would definitely be a head turner and a real way to advertise what it is that you have as a business, especially if it was started in the 1950s. Your side step here, the wheels are basically brand new. They still have the knobs here in the edge.
The tires.
Tires and wheels. So, you know, obviously your period correct tires as well. And you can see underneath is very proper on all sides. That's why we're taking the time to show you. With a little TLC, we believe this truck could be worth a whole lot of money. I know that there was one that sold, there was an auction, correct?
Yeah, Barrett Jackson, I think sold.
Yeah, Barrett Jackson, for about $70,000. So, you know, we have this price to sell. We know that there needs to be some things done to it to make it as perfect as $70,000 truck to sell, but it definitely could be that. So I will show you how the engine runs and take it out on a test drive for you. Okay, so I just want to show you how the engine revs. I'm going to start it up. Show you the water temperature and the oil pressure is very good in this truck as well. Get her started up, take her out on a quick test drive for you. You can see the instrument cluster is working and proper. It's an upgraded Dakota digital instrument cluster. And I'm going to go ahead and get us shifted in to second gear. Everything is basically proper on this truck. We do have working windshield wipers, which are so cute, by the way. The little lighter here works as well. And like I said, the instrument cluster is proper. The air blowers work.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Feel the wind blow. And you can see glove box there. Like I said, this car definitely needs a little TLC, but
It's the old style air condition here.
yeah, right. But it definitely is something to be proud of if
Step on
this
it
is
a
the
little
truck
bit.
for you.
And this 350 is clean.
She's a blast. I'm going to show you how she is in her high and low gears for her all-wheel drive appearance and debut. So that you definitely have something to look forward to, because I'm going to show that to you in just a few moments. And of course we have the upgraded Sunny stereo as well down here. So this truck is definitely going to be something that you either utilize now or you restore once again and utilize. But I'm excited to show you her little off-road but polite off-roading capabilities. So I just stopped here and I put it into low all-wheel drive. I'm going to get started. Of course it is in all-wheel drive. So I'm going to shift. Oh God, I love this truck. And I love driving it more than anything. It's so ridiculous. All right, let me try to shift again. All right, not too bad on that one. I'm a little proud. And I am going to stop here shortly and show you the rear wheel all-wheel drive. Let me just get off here. Okay. All right. So, yes.
It's all the way back.
This is all the way back. There we go.
Very good.
And let me see if I can make this happen.
First.
Try first, okay. Sorry about that. All right, now this is going to be your rear wheel all-wheel drive, and you can see it works flawlessly. It may have something to do with the flawless driver, but
Maybe.
look, I don't want to mess and scratch up the truck. It is way too beautiful.
We can go over there and turn it around over there.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, I just don't want to do anything to upset this vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully I don't throw us into the lake over there, but I can't make any promises. All right.
You're a little nervous on the gas,
I'm a
huh?
little, yeah, yes, I won't lie. It is definitely a little new for me, but certainly fun. I am so excited about this truck, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions about it, like I said, it's definitely a classy collectible, and it's something that you can convert into anything you want. You can make it your billboard, your advertisement. You can put it into a show truck. It really does not matter. You do whatever it is that you please that will make you happy, and this is definitely a blank canvas for you. And if anything else, or if nothing else, you can drive it just as is, because she's still beautiful the way she is. 239-263-8500 is our phone number. You can find us on the web. It's at autohausnaples.com. And my name is Marianne, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, so before it gets dark, I just wanted to show you the awesome stereo. You can see here is where you put in your CDs. So right there is the CD option, and you just close it up. And also behind the seats right here is your Kenwood controllers for the speakers. So you have some upgraded speakers along with the black light here. And it gives you such a cool, fun little feel to this truck. And also underneath the truck is the real game changer. You have the bright green lights, and so if you're not showing enough attention during the day in this truck, then you certainly are going to show enough attention at night with the neon lights that it has. So this truck definitely has a lot to offer, and it is so much fun to drive and be a part of. So I hope if you're interested, you'll give us a call. Once again, I will give you the phone number. It's 239-263-8500. Again, it's 239-263-8500. And also you can find a lot more about this truck on our website. It's autohausnaples.com. And my name is Marianne. I will see you guys on the next one.